Hello everyone. Welcome to TutorialsArena's Data Science and Artificial Intelligence quiz series. So let's get started. What keyword is used to handle exceptions? The correct option is option A, except. The except block catches and handles exceptions raised in the try block. Which of the following is the correct try except structure? The correct option is option B, try, except. Python uses try and except blocks to handle exceptions. What will this expression raise? The correct option is option A, value error. You can't convert a non-numeric string to an integer. How do you handle multiple exceptions in Python? The correct option is option C, multiple except blocks. You can handle different exceptions with separate except blocks. What is the use of the finally block? The correct option is option C, runs after try or except. The finally block always executes, whether or not an exception occurred. What will be the result of this expression? The correct option is option C, opens file for writing, overwrite. Mode, W, opens the file for writing and truncates it if it exists. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video.